Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to change browser to Google Chrome on iPhone. So if you want to change your default browser to Google Chrome on iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to change browser to Google Chrome on iPhone is open the App Store on your iPhone first. So once you open the App Store on your iPhone, you need to search for Chrome browser to download and install it on your iPhone. Now once you open the App Store on your iPhone, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right and search for Chrome browser. So Google Chrome. And click on the search button. Now on the search page, locate Google Chrome and click on it. Then go ahead and install the Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. So that's the first approach. You need to have the Google Chrome browser installed on your iPhone before you can change the browser to Chrome browser. Then after that, exit the App Store and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the Settings app on your iPhone, the next one to do is scroll down until you get to Safari and click on it. If you're using iOS 17, on iOS 18, you need to go ahead and click on Apps. Then scroll down the page until you get to Safari browser. So click on it. And once you click on it, locate default browser app and click on it. And here you have access to all the browsers you have on your iPhone. So if your browser app is set to Safari, just go ahead and select Google Chrome. Now once you select Chrome, you can now exit the page. Then the default browser will be changed from Safari to Google Chrome. So that is basically how to change browser to Google Chrome on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.